Assalamualaikum kepada saya Ahmad Nazrin. My name is Shakira binti Abdul Majid and my student ID is 20223648615. Today I would like to present about my project, System Analysis in Information Management 1. So the introduction, first of all, the reason of choosing this project is because it will be making easier to those who want to attend, those who want to apply for the internship rather than they find in the job street and Indeed. So for the introduction of my project, I have choose Polytechnic Balik Pulau as my current client. This is because previously I have studied in Polytechnic Balik Pulau Penang for my diploma in information technology. So it was very hard to me for the internship, and it was in COVID time. So I think this system will be helping those who want to apply for the internship rather than defining and spend more time in the Indeed and job street. So the introduction for Polytechnic Balik Pulau. It is a government polytechnic in Balik Pulau Penang and established in January 2007 under Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia, and it also support the technical and vocational education training. It is a peaceful environment and located far away from the city of Georgetown. So this is focused on hand-on learning and practical training. So this system will offer the industrial training opportunity to Polytechnic Balik Pulau students. So the course in Polytechnic Balik Pulau, we have diploma in information technology programming, diploma in digital technology, diploma in networking system, diploma in tourism management, and diploma in food service halal practice. So when I was studying, I only have 3 courses, that is diploma in information technology programming, digital technology, and networking system, but now already add on 2 more. So that is tourism management and food service halal. So as you can see, the Polytechnic Balik Pulau was located in Penang Nirai at Balik Pulau. It's really far away from the city actually. I think it is the end of the end of the locations of Balik Pulau. So you might having issue of transportation. So if you want to travel from one place to another place, but of course, yes, there has a free bus there too, so you might use it. And for internship, previously Polytechnic Balik Pulau also provided a place to intern in the PBO, but then it's not that related to the IT. It needs like something you have to handling about paperwork there. So the previous student was informed that the internship was not fulfilled with the knowledge, so there has been stopped doing that in PBU because it's a documentation, so I don't think that is related to the IT. So IT utilizations and organization training. Previous issue, no dedicated portal for student to apply for industrial training. Student on external sites such as they need to use external sites such as Jobstreet, LinkedIn or Google. Delay in mismatch with the company requirement. Sometimes we have applied a lot, which means more than 10 to 20, but we couldn't get the internship place to do our intern. So this sometimes cause our semester extended, which means because we didn't get the opportunity to do our internship. So with the duration given, so we might be need to extend the internship. for the next semester. So purpose and solution is develop a student apprenticeship management system, centralized and user-friendly platform that can manage by PBU, Polytechnic Balai Pulau, short form PBU. It also allowed user to browse, select, apply and verify the placement, which means the system might be having a role that we already put in the role that the company provided for the internship, so they might apply directly to the system, so the company might as well get the notifications and they can notify the student as well to get the internship. So the benefit of this system is faster, easier and more reliable application process. It also reduce the dependency third-party job site, and it also improve the access to suitable relevant training opportunity. So if you go to the some intern place, you go to the some company that is not related to your study, so in future you might having issue that you couldn't understand the work, the role. So it might be better if you choose the opportunity based on your studies. So in the goals is for this system is strengthen partnership with reputable companies, offer student more quality real world training experience, enhance overall student services for the job market, technology in student management and planning. So chapter 2 is about project initiations and planning. So as you can see, project initiation, we have SDLC planning stage. It is included identify potential system development projects, listing and ranking this project, selecting suitable project to proceed with. So project identification is seen as a pre-project phase. Project can become from general planning or documentation requirement. So project evaluation is focused on the scope and feasibility, not system operations. It is determined for the project can be done and available resources given. So information system benefit, you can improve the flexibility, reduce the error, supports and process the management very faster. So team preparation is collaborations and planning help define system needs of the group rules. Systems objective and benefit. So you can see here about benefit of the system. So make work faster and easier, better communications, clear and organized process, help with decision making, make it easier for students as well, stronger industry connections, and follow the polytechnic rules as well. So with the benefits, it can save the time, useful report, can grow with demand, better match for students. That means you can choose a better match for the course that you have studied, improve college image, and environmental friendly. Project analysis, system analysis SDLC phrase. System analysis is done to understand why a system need to be changes. It is time consuming and costly, so it's only done if the managements agree for the projects and add values. Poor analysis often lead to provide a problem in the later system stage. So the two key activities is to determining requirement, finding out what the system needs, structuring requirements such as understand the current operations and how they should work. So we have here an entity relationship diagram. ERD shows the relationship between entity like peoples, items or ideas. So commonly used in database designs. Use shapes like rectangle, diamonds to show the entity and relationship. It also helps understand the system data and structure is often linked to the DFDs. So data flow diagram, DFD, it is include the process input and output. It also help the development design structure system. Does not shows control flow. So you may see here we have the ERD diagram. So you may refer here. Structuring system requirement conceptual data modeling. So we have 5 entities for this system. That is supervisor, student, company, student apprenticeship, and admin. So the relationship might earn student apprenticeship for student, student to company, supervisor to company, admin has all the access for the system, which means the admin can edit all the access. So last but not least, in conclusion, the student apprenticeship management system is aimed to the industrial training process to make it easier, faster and more organized for the both students and staff Polytechnic Bali Pulau. By using this system, students can apply for place more efficiently, while the college can monitor the process and manage data more effectively. It also helps improve the communications with the industry partners and the process follow academic guidelines. So overall, this system support better students experience, stronger industrial and collaboration. That's all for me. Thank you so much.